Welcome to another video of Phoenix Models Reviews, and today we are not going to unbox a model but rather this stand. I think maybe it will be helpful for you to decide if you should get a stand or not. This is how it looks like, and I hate this type of packaging because you can't open it. Yeah, but let's try to open it. Maybe I will also have to cut the video a bit here because you will probably see me fighting with this packaging. I think it's a bit a shame that this packaging is still allowed in 2023, but let's see. Come on. Yeah, it's a huge pain to open this. Now also from the side here. Yeah, the thing is, what I don't want is that I break the stand. Okay, here we go. Seems to be working. Oh, okay, that's actually nice. At least I don't need to, or it looks like I don't need to screw in the screw. It looks like it's fully assembled already. Okay, that's an advantage. This is the, I think it's called the shiny one. I think there's also a matte one. Don't worry about the condensation here, it's the postman just delivered it to me. That's why there's a bit of condensation forming. Actually, I think it's a beautiful stand. It's for 1 to 400 models, and I will definitely show you how it will look like with a model on top. And yeah, let's see with the Air Greenland, as you saw in the previous video. You see here this hole, and let's see how difficult it is actually to assemble it. Okay, you can just put it in here, or no? Okay. This is how it looks like. You have to push it inside quite a bit. Which it looks like, okay, now it's sitting, okay. Okay, it looks like you can even adjust it a bit if you want to have it going up steeper or a bit lower, but I would put it a bit back, so this is how it seems, at least to me, the most secure. Let's see from the front. I'm not sure, but I feel like, you know, it's correctly installed, or is it? As you can see here, I'm not sure if you can see it here, but I feel like the plug is not 100% inside. I don't know if this is, this has to be this way, but I pushed it now quite hard inside. So let's see. But I think more or less you can imagine how it will look like also with your models. It should be working with all the 1 to 400 scales models, and yeah, it's like the basic stand from Phoenix. I think there's not much to say about it. It's either you like it or you don't like it, and the price that I paid was €8.22. So it's a rather pricey stand, I would say, but the chrome polish looks pretty good in my opinion, so yeah, I think, is it worth it for €8.22? I would say if you have or need the space in your collection, yeah, definitely you can get 1 or 2. That's what I did. I got 2 of them, and I will definitely display some of the models in my wardrobe. Good, this is it for this video. I hope you like it, and in the next video we'll have a model again. See you soon again, your Phoenix Models Reviews.